MTU gi chayetnaba loisinlaga regular vice chancellor thamnaba government na hotnari vision amaga loinana reason asida kanaba piba ngamnanaba university asina honasi haina Manipur governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla na Manipur Technical University gi tara suba mapok kumnan thoromda haikhre Tayal Patta leiba Government Polytechnic Campus ta leiba hall da pangthokiba tormaduda Manipur Technical University gi chancellor su oriba governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla Dhanamanjuri University Vice Chancellor Professor W Sendababu Singha Manipur Technical University gi Registrar Ramananda Nomaikapamna maroiba musingoina saruyakhe Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla na makha taraduna ngasigi numidasi innovation gi lamda amadi youth singi revolution da thajaba thamba singi honor khiba Utpangam Kiba Singh Madugi Harawa Pongdok Minaba Numit Amani. University Asina Lakiba Lambi Asi Singtaninga Ama Oi, Numinasina Lakpada Harawa Pongdok Minaba Natana, Lising in Taragaturutagi, Haurakiba Universities Asina Tonkiba Pandam, Nohona Ningsing Minaba Matotai. Lamdamasida Industrial Sector Park Sauna Laibigi Kudung Saba Latrabasu Northeast Region the Technical Ga Marilanaba University Amaibana Kadai Power Universities Asina contributions Piba Yabage Haiba Kangna chancellor haina mai pakna tobungangani Quarter case Labina by Chancellor Ama Thamba Ngamdribase government atubada resolve Tauraga regular by Chancellor Ma Hap Nanaba Honari Universities Asi Hagulak Liba Angang Amagumani Universities Asibo Lamjing Liba faculty sing Universities Asi Karamba Maikaida Lamjing Labadi Hena Fagani Haiba Miang Tamse Brand ambassadors Oriba Mahiroi Sing University Asibo Nung Shiba Matautai Universities Asidagi Tamlakraga Mai Pakpa Mi Oikaba Universities Asibo Singkan Anabahona Minister Haikhe.
I myself regret that we don't have a regular vice chancellor of this university because of some court cases and all, but government is trying its best to resolve that and appoint a regular vice chancellor. Today, as we celebrate the growth of this institution, we also reaffirm our shared commitment to technical education and is rooted in the regional needs but aspires to global standards. I also welcome and congratulate students, the soul of the university, who carry forward its vision with energy, purpose and excellence. And later on you become the brand ambassadors. On this Foundation Day, we celebrate not only the past and present of Manipur Technical University, but also its promise for the future. Let this institution continue to be a beacon of hope and excellence, not just for Manipur, but for the entire northeastern region. Let's renew our collective commitment to ensure that MTU stands tall as a model of academic innovation, ethical integrity and social impact. I once again offer my heartiest congratulations to everyone associated with this institution, and I look forward to witnessing many more milestones in the years to come.